Hi friends, it's Miss Brooke again, and I'm so excited that you're joining me for Storytime again today. I really missed you all. How are you all doing? Are you doing good? Awesome. Give me a big thumbs up if you're doing good. Well, I'm really excited that you're here today because now we can read one of my favorite books. And it talks about one of my favorite desserts. I wonder if you know this book. Any guesses? It's If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. Oh, so yummy. Have you read this before? Yeah, it's such a fun book. And I thought, well, if we wanted to read it today, maybe we could also bake some cookies while we read it. So we can read the book, put some cookies in the oven, and then eat them up when we're all done. Does that sound fun? Yay! I'm so excited. Well, if you want, let's put the book down for just a second so we can start the cookies in the oven, and let's follow me into the kitchen, okay? Alrighty, let's go. Hey friends! Well, welcome to my kitchen. Are you so excited to bake some cookies? Let's get started! Alrighty, so while our cookies are baking in the oven, let's get started reading our book. And today I want to dedicate the story time to my friend Nico. Hi Nico! Thanks for suggesting that I read one of your favorite books. I'm so excited. I love this book too. Alrighty, so again the title is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. And it's written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. Let's open it up. And there's the title page. If you give a mouse a cookie. This looks fun. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he's probably going to ask you for a straw. When he's all finished, he'll ask for a napkin. That messy mouse. Then he'll want to look in the mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. That's silly. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice that his hair needs a trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep all the hair. He'll start sweeping, and he might get carried away and sweep every room in your house. That silly mouse. He may even wash the floors as well. And when he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix a little box up for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in and make himself comfortable and fluff the pillow a few times. And he'll probably ask you to read him a story. So, you'll read him from one of your picture books and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited and he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask you for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture. And wow, when the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. He's a very talented mouse. And he'll want to sign it with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he will need, what's he going to need? Oh, some Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask you for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks you for a glass of milk, what do you think he's going to ask for? He's going to want a cookie to go with it. That's too funny. The end. Also, there's a really cool game at the end of this book. So if you have this book at home, maybe you can try the game with your family. That's really cool. Alrighty, well, let's go check on our cookies. They smell so yummy. I'm getting hungry. Yay, our cookies are ready. They smell so good, and I let them cool off. And now it's time to grab our milk so we can have milk and cookies. All right, now it's time to put our milk with our cookies. So sometimes you can have regular milk, or even if you want, you can get your chocolate milk out. And this is one of my favorites. It's chocolate oat milk. Alrighty, well now I got my chocolate milk, got my chocolate chip cookies, and I think this is a good time for us to say goodbye. And I'll see you next time in my other videos, okay? All right, friends, well, don't forget, if you want to request a book, just like Nico did today, don't forget, you can always email me at learnwithmsbrooke@gmail.com, and I would love to try to find your favorite book and read it in our next story time. Alrighty, well, I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have so much fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.